everyone, welcome back to Auto Reviews Pro. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the craziest and most creative tiny campers ever built. Cyr's insane camper tricycle. This unique machine looks like something straight out of a futuristic art show, but it's actually a fully functional tiny home on wheels. In this video, I'll share my personal analysis and opinion about its exterior design, interior setup, performance, comfort, practicality, and estimated value. This review is based on research, automotive knowledge, and comparison with other compact campers and custom-built trikes. So let's dive right into this incredible mobile creation. At first glance, Cyr's Camper Tricycle immediately grabs attention unlike anything else on the road. It combines the compact dimensions of a three-wheel bicycle with the appearance of a miniature RV. The design is bold, artistic, futuristic, and surprisingly practical at the same time. While most camper builds focus only on comfort or travel convenience, this project blends creativity, functionality, and urban mobility into one unforgettable package. The exterior styling is easily the biggest highlight. The camper shell has a rounded, retro-inspired shape that almost looks like a tiny cartoon home rolling through the streets. Its oversized structure compared to the small tricycle base creates an eye-catching contrast that makes people stop and stare instantly. The body panels appear lightweight yet durable, helping keep the vehicle manageable despite its unusual dimensions. One of the most impressive things about the exterior is how much detail went into the build. The small windows, compact roofline, mini storage sections, and handcrafted bodywork give it a genuine tiny home personality. Instead of looking like a random DIY project, it feels more like a professionally designed art vehicle. The camper has a warm and inviting vibe that makes it stand out from traditional campers or RVs. The front section remains relatively simple with bicycle-style handlebars and a compact wheel setup, while the rear transforms into a full living compartment. Because of its tricycle layout, stability is improved compared to a normal bicycle camper concept. The wide rear section provides enough support to carry the camper shell while maintaining balance during slow rides around urban streets or public events. Lighting elements are minimal but functional. Small headlights and rear lamps help improve visibility, especially during evening rides. Since this camper tricycle is more about creativity and lifestyle than high-speed touring, the simple lighting setup fits the overall personality perfectly. Moving toward the side profile, you can clearly see how efficiently the available space has been used. Even though the camper is extremely compact, it still manages to include sleeping space, storage sections, and enough room for short-term travel or resting. The proportions may look unusual at first, but the design becomes more impressive the longer you study it. The roof design is another standout feature. Its curved shape improves aerodynamics slightly while also giving the camper a cozy tiny home appearance. Some versions of the camper concept even include roof ventilation and solar-inspired design ideas to improve self-sufficiency during longer adventures. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where the camper tricycle becomes truly fascinating. Stepping inside feels more like entering a miniature studio apartment than a bicycle trailer. Space is obviously limited, but Cyr managed to maximize every inch intelligently. The sleeping area is compact yet surprisingly usable. A single person can comfortably rest inside during short trips or overnight stays. The cushions and interior surfaces appear simple, lightweight, and practical rather than luxurious, which makes sense considering the size limitations. Still, the atmosphere inside feels cozy and creative. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin. Small shelves, hidden compartments, and organized sections allow travelers to store personal belongings, camping gear, snacks, and basic essentials without making the space feel overcrowded. That level of efficiency is impressive for such a tiny structure. Natural light enters through the side windows, preventing the cabin from feeling too enclosed. During daytime use, the interior feels brighter and more open than expected. The windows also improve airflow, which is important in compact campers like this. One thing that makes this camper tricycle special is its emotional appeal. It doesn't try to compete with expensive luxury RVs or modern camper vans. Instead, it offers freedom, creativity, and simplicity. The interior reflects that philosophy perfectly. Everything feels handcrafted and personal rather than mass-produced. Depending on the version or modifications, some setups may include small battery-powered lighting systems, portable cooking equipment, or basic charging solutions for phones and devices. While amenities remain minimal compared to full-size campers, the functionality is still impressive considering the vehicle's dimensions. Now let's discuss performance. Obviously, this camper tricycle is not built for speed or highway driving. Its purpose is entirely different. This vehicle focuses on slow-paced exploration, artistic expression, and urban mobility. The performance should be viewed from that perspective. The tricycle moves using pedal power combined with lightweight construction. Some custom variations may feature electric assist systems to reduce effort during longer rides or uphill sections. With electric assistance, usability improves significantly because the added camper weight becomes easier to manage. Acceleration is naturally slow, but that's part of the experience. Riding this camper is more about enjoying the journey and attracting attention than reaching destinations quickly. It creates a relaxed style of travel that feels refreshing in today's fast-paced world. Handling remains surprisingly stable due to the three-wheel configuration. Unlike two-wheel bicycle campers that can feel unstable under heavy loads, the tricycle layout improves balance and weight distribution. However, sharp turns and uneven surfaces still require careful driving because of the camper's height and width. Comfort during riding depends heavily on road conditions. Smooth city streets are ideal for this type of vehicle. While rough terrain may become uncomfortable, suspension systems are generally basic, so bumps and potholes can definitely be felt inside the cabin. Braking performance is acceptable for low-speed operation, although extra stopping distance may be necessary because of the additional camper weight. Riders would need to stay cautious in crowded urban environments. One area where this camper shines is efficiency. Since it relies mainly on human power or small electric assist systems, running costs are extremely low compared to traditional campers, motorcycles, or RVs. There's no need for expensive fuel bills, large maintenance expenses, or complicated mechanical repairs. Another advantage is portability. Unlike full-size campers that struggle with parking or city navigation, this tiny tricycle camper can move through tighter areas much more easily. It's ideal for festivals, public events, art shows, city exploration, and short camping adventures. Of course, there are limitations. Interior space is extremely small, long-distance comfort is limited, and weather protection may not match larger campers. It's also not practical for families or multiple travelers. But for solo adventurers, artists, or people seeking a unique lifestyle experience, those compromises may actually feel worthwhile. Now let's talk about estimated pricing and value. Since Cyr's Camper Tricycle is more of a custom artistic creation rather than a mass-produced commercial vehicle, pricing can vary dramatically depending on materials, modifications, and construction quality. If a similar custom camper tricycle were produced today with lightweight materials, handcrafted bodywork, storage solutions, and optional electric assistance, the estimated value could range anywhere between $8,000 and $20,000 or even higher for premium builds. Limited production models or art-focused custom projects could easily exceed that range because of labor costs and uniqueness. Compared to traditional RVs or camper vans, that price may sound surprisingly affordable. However, buyers are paying for creativity, craftsmanship, and individuality rather than luxury features or high-speed performance. In terms of uniqueness, very few vehicles on the planet can compete with this camper tricycle. It turns transportation into a moving piece of art while still offering practical shelter and mobility. That combination makes it unforgettable. Personally, I think Cyr's Insane Camper Tricycle represents something bigger than just a tiny camper. It symbolizes freedom, imagination, and alternative living. In a world filled with oversized SUVs and expensive RVs, this tiny home on wheels proves that adventure doesn't always require massive budgets or giant vehicles. The camper may not suit everyone, but it absolutely succeeds in creating an emotional connection with people who appreciate creativity and unconventional travel. Whether parked at an art exhibition, cruising through city streets, or camping near a beach, this tricycle attracts attention everywhere it goes. For people who enjoy minimalism, eco-friendly transportation, and artistic engineering, this build feels incredibly inspiring. It challenges traditional ideas about camping and mobility while delivering a fun and memorable experience. Overall, Cyr's Camper Tricycle is one of the most unusual and imaginative tiny campers ever created. Its exterior design is unforgettable. The interior is cleverly packaged. Performance is decent for its purpose, and the overall concept delivers a unique lifestyle experience unlike anything else on the road. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more unique campers, futuristic tiny homes, and creative custom vehicles. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. From Auto Reviews Pro, let me know in the comments below. Would you actually travel in this tiny camper tricycle? Or do you think it's simply an amazing work of rolling art? I'll see you in the next video.